I'm Danielle with WTI. As someone who works in a warehouse, protective shoes are a must, and these steel toe boots are the best ones I've tried so far. My biggest issue with some that I've had in the past is that the toe box is either too tight or it makes my toes feel restricted. But with these, I don't have that problem. My toes have enough room to wiggle around, and the wide fit ensures that my feet has some breathing room. In connection with that, I really love the material. A lot of steel toe shoes are not breathable at all. But these are made with the same kind of mesh you see on like regular sneakers. In fact, they actually look like regular sneakers. But the mesh prevents me from having sweaty or hot feet, which if you work in a warehouse, the last thing you want is sweaty or hot feet. So that is a definite win for me. And of course, they protect my feet. I can't tell you how many times I've dropped something heavy on my feet, but these shoes have literally saved my toes. Comfortable, stylish, and protective. That's how I would describe these, but that's just my point of view.